Hey, sweetie. Good morning. How's your sleep? That's good. I'm glad. I'm glad your sleep is good. How's your, how's your stomach doing? It's good. That's good. How's your head? Do you still have the headache? No? That's good, baby. I'm glad you're feeling better. Sweetie, can I get you anything? You want water, breakfast? Anything you want, sweetie. Just tell me what you want. I see, okay. So you want to cuddle? We can cuddle. Come here, sweetie. Come on, get in close. Just like that. You know, sometimes I still can't believe it. That it's gonna be us three. Me, you, and the baby. I don't know, to me it's wild. I never thought I would get here. I never thought I would be a father, and to me this is just a dream come true. It really is. I know, baby. I know it's scary. It is. But everything's gonna be okay. Alright? Your baby's gonna be so beautiful. Everything's gonna be okay. You have me. We have each other. And we're gonna have a beautiful baby. And then everything's gonna be okay. Because we'll always have each other. Sweetie, let me give you a little belly rub. There you go, that makes you feel better, huh? Your skin is so smooth. I think I can feel the baby moving. I think the baby's kicking a little bit, huh? Look at that. A little miracle in your belly. It is. It's wild. I mean, I still can't believe we're gonna be parents soon. No, sweetie. No, don't worry, okay? You're gonna be a great mother. Don't worry. I know. I know that you're gonna be such a good mother. You're so kind. You have such a beautiful heart. You're so nurturing. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay? Don't worry. Not only that, you finally get to be a MILF. That's kinda cool, huh? okay, don't worry, sweetheart. Like, you're gonna be a really good mother. I can tell. No, of course I'm gonna be a good father. I'm gonna love you and the baby with all my heart. I'm gonna love every single second of our family together. I'm gonna cherish every moment with you and the baby. You guys are my everything. And I'll take good care of you. And I'll take good care of the baby. Of course, baby, I love you. And I love the baby. It's just gonna be such a perfect moment. Everything's gonna be fine, okay? Don't you worry, princess. I remember when I first saw you. I was so nervous. I was scared. But I knew I had to come up to you and talk to you. I'm surprised that you gave me your number. I was shocked that you gave me your number. And when I took you on our first date, I fell so madly in love with you that day. That day I still remember what you wore. The perfume you were wearing. That you're the most beautiful girl in the world. And I fell in love. You were so kind. You were so sweet. I knew we were going to be together forever. And here we are. Here we are now. We're going to be a family soon. I know. What a journey. But it's an amazing journey, and I'm glad that I get to share this journey with you. And I love you, sweetheart. No, baby. The baby's kicking. It's kicking kind of hard. I see. How's your belly doing? I see, it hurts a little bit. Here, let me grab you that heated water bottle, okay? I'll make sure to microwave it for you. Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. You got get you that heated water bottle for your belly. Yeah, let me put on your belly really quick. Doesn't that feel better? I'm glad it does. Of course, sweetie, I would do anything for you and the baby. Of course I would. Yeah, come close. Come close, I want to cuddle for a bit. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in the world. Your eyes are really something special. It's, it's the way that they spark when you talk about something you love, It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? Those beautiful eyes that you have. I'm serious. Like, when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. You have like a unique beauty. And I can't help but notice. I know, they look lovely. But honestly, sweetheart, you gotta be very, very careful, okay? Because with eyes like those, right, you might just steal someone's heart without even trying. You got the most beautiful lips in the world. They really are. Your lips are really beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it just lights up the whole room. And it feels like everything just kind of fades away. And it feels like I'm just here with just me and you. And it makes me feel like I'm so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen. I can listen to you for hours. Your voice, combined with your lips moving, it's mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just wanted you to know that I appreciate you. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness that it makes it very comforting to be close to you. I know you probably deserve to hear this more often, but you're really amazing inside and out. And your lips is just a part of that. In your hair. And I just love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. It is. And I just love the way how the light just shines on your hair. It just kind of glows. And I get lost in it sometimes.